So today we are at a special place, the Ultraviolette factory, and we have a special guest, the co-founder of Ultraviolette, Narayan. Welcome to Acco Drive. Great experience of assembling the X47. A separate video is coming on Acco Drive. In this video, we'll be talking about something else, a quick chat with you.
Sure.
Tell me about the X47. How has been the reception for the motorcycle?
I think from a product capability, versatility, you know what the bike can do. We've designed for all roads, good roads, bad roads, no roads. So in effect, urban and urban plus is something a lot of our consumers across the country are having a lot of fun with. Of course, 90% of the usage is office and back, but the weekend trails and intercity riding is something with the onboard charger and a lot of it that has come together to make it versatile across different types of riding use cases. So.
Okay, and how much units have you selling in monthly wise? How much have been the sale for the X47?
So we've been ramping up every month for the last 4 months has been our best month in terms of volumes. I think we're ramping up towards 1,000 a month by Q2. So we should get there where I think 500 plus happened in Jan. So through Feb, March, we should get to 4 digits.
I think the dealership expansion has also played a very crucial role in that.
Yes. So 2 aspects, actually 3. One is with the X47 for a very long part, we were only retailing in Bangalore. The intent was to stabilize the sales, after sales experience, stabilize supply chain and availability of spares as well. Once all of this was fully sorted, we started expanding our dealer network. Today we're in about 40 locations pan-India.
Okay.
And of course that has resulted in a lot of awareness and access to touch and ride the motorcycle. Second is the price points as well. Now starting at 2.5 lakhs, we are very much at price parity if you look at the Triumph REs of the world.
With the GST to
yes. Yes. So at price parity with this product. And third, the capability enables you to use it for street to certain types of off-road riding as well. So it's quite versatile that way. So all of it has factored into our ramp up this year.
Okay. And even in terms of international operations, you have been going very strong in that. So last financial year, you were making a lot of noises, a lot of statements of international expansion. How are you looking forward to it in this coming financial year?
Sure. So last year was a pilot. The critical part was to get the battery certified for international requirements. So today we are certified for across 40 countries. We're starting out with Europe. Today in about 11 countries across Europe. Okay. So retail has started in countries like UK, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, etc. And the feedback is very strong because for the first time there is an electric motorcycle that in terms of design, performance and price is comparable to the ICE categories in these markets.
And also technology.
Yes,
yes. You guys are killing it with the technology. So which new markets are you planning for in the next financial year? US, North America is in the works?
Yes, North America is in the work. I think with products like the Shockwave coming in, opens up very strong motorsports related activities to road use cases in some of these markets. So Europe, North America and Latin America is also a very strong market for enduro plus street motorcycles. So we're quite keen on taking the X47 and the Shockwave to these markets.
And my next question was on the Shockwave and the Tesla has gathered lots of attention, lots of interest of bikers across the country.
Yes.
How many bookings have you received till now?
I think in terms of bookings, it would have crossed maybe 75,000 bookings. And you're right, there is pan-India interest. And what I'm talking about is only India. We haven't opened out for international orders yet.
Okay.
Products are currently also undergoing certification for European markets. So
delivery timelines for them, like when can we see like a rough figure? Because I know a lot of friends who have booked the products and also a lot of journalists. So just wanted an understanding for our audience. By when can the first lot of deliveries can be expected?
So we'll formally announce very soon.
Okay.
Both are happening this year. Both will be sequenced as well.
Okay.
But we are expanding today or at the production facility.
Yes.
The second line is coming up. A new facility is also in the works.
Okay.
As we speak.
Okay.
So it's I'll get back to you the exact timelines very soon.
Okay. But is it happening this?
100%.
Okay. So we can say the first half of Q1 or Q2.
I'll get to you on that.
Okay. But as you said, in terms of expanding the assembly line, because I think this assembly line won't be able to catch up with the kind of demand for the products. So where is the next plant coming up? Is it in Karnataka only, or you're looking at some other place?
No, it's in this vicinity because this location is about 1 hour away from R&D.
Okay.
And I think even for the next stage of scale up, we do require R&D and production to be within a daily travel sort of a limit.
Okay.
So it is in and around this place itself. And the current facility also, we are today working on doubling the volume.
Okay.
So it's going from about 30,000 to total capacity of 60,000 here.
So currently there are 2 shifts operational over here,
Yeah.
and you will add a line and also add a shift
Yes.
to increase the capacity. And you said that there will be a scale kind of a launch. So first the Shockwave will come or the Tesseract will come.
I will have to let you know.
He's holding on to the secrets of the product. But then again, I think that will be the breakthrough product for Ultraviolette as a brand, because the X47 has got you the numbers, but I think
Yes.
those are the proper mass market products.
Yes.
And it's just not mass market, like the Tesseract, the kind of technology you guys are working with. You have already seen the radar on
Yeah,
the
yes.
X47, and that will be coming on the Tesseract.
Right.
And the Shockwave also opens up a new avenue of motorcycle segment. Not
Right.
only in ICE you have an option,
Right.
even EV, you are
Right.
getting that option of a dirt riding motorcycle
Right.
at a good budget.
Yes.
So I think that's a great way
And-
looking forward.
That was the intent of us starting top down. The advantage of building for the F77 first was you're tackling the highest requirements on performance, batteries, the motors, the drivetrain, the electronics. Quite similar to what happened with the Tesla and the Model S, which is the heavy lifting on all the tech. Then the subsequent Model X, Y3 was a faster development cycle. So if you look at that story and look at what's happening here, it's a very similar approach that we've taken. So which is why the tech remains constant, price points become more accessible, power bands also expand.
Okay. And we talked about all the good things. What you think will be the next challenge for Ultraviolette as a brand?
I think the next challenge for us is more on the operational side. The industry being so new, right? The immediate challenges or the early challenges are more on building the technology, because being sustainable, being profitable, being scalable depends on all of the core tech. And by this I mean the battery, the BMS, the VCU, the motor controller that you were part of assembling as well. All of this we hold the full IP in-house, the chargers that we have on the X47. So the last 8 years went into the fundamental building blocks of the core EV powertrain. Now that we have all of this, it is cost optimized, it is scale optimized. That's also when you see us scaling into larger volume segments. So we intentionally took it slow to address a market that is relatively smaller, but also stands for performance. And now we're maintaining the DNA, scaling into a lot of other
I think
segments.
trust is one aspect which is very crucial for an EV brand. I think you guys have been working slowly and steadily maintaining that quality of the product has been maintained. So you think 2026 will be the leap year for Ultra?
100%,
Yeah.
100%, yes.
Okay, Narayan, thank you for your time. All
Sure.
the best with the new products. All the best with the X47.
Thank you.
And looking forward to riding the two new products.
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.